So I've been playing around with audio visualization a bit. I came up with a nice library, JavaScript library called P5.js, which actually enables you to render stuff pretty easy. It makes this canvas rendering or drawing pretty simple. So I integrated an MP3 and created some different visualizations, as you can see, like just a simple frequency line and then the whole thing in a different way. It's not yet finished, but I want to make this a little bit prettier and play around with different structures and shapes. And this is just for an MP3 file, so and I also integrated this in the studio thing, so with the nice synthesizer, and if you press play, you also get some visualization. This will be configurable later, hopefully, and look a lot nicer and integrate more seamlessly